at 8 Vanderbilt, in between downtown Brooklyn, the area known as the Navy Yard, just south of the Fort Greene area. We come into a 770 square foot condo, which is for rent. Immediately upon entry, we have an open kitchen with stainless steel appliances, full oven, convection oven above, microwave, cabinetry, dishwasher, open into the living space. Large living space extending about 12 by 20. Corner unit here, which has a nice view going east, which would be towards the G train. We're about a 10-minute walk from the G train, 9-minute walk to the F train at York Street. Here's a view of going north on Flushing Avenue. As we proceed towards the entrance where we come in immediately to the left. We have a large coat closet, and we have a linen closet, and full bathroom here with tub, spacious. Entering into the bedroom, about 12 by 15 or 16, we have great view, Flushing Avenue, very bright. Large windows, 10.5 foot ceiling. Large walk-in closet here, two sides of shelving and rungs, and an additional shelving and rung closet to the left. Bedroom will suit any sized bed. Plenty of room for dressers. Even a queen bed with love seat be very comfortable here. Cold rate to see this unit. We will now go up to the roof to give a view of the roof. As we come out of the elevator, we're in an intermediate foyer which overlooks the roof garden in this building. And the garden extends, a good 2,000 square feet with barbecue facility and great view. We're going to proceed down to the entrance and the facilities in the building. Okay, we're here at the lobby, coming out of the elevator. And we're in the main lobby entrance here, where there's a mail area, mail center, and guest waiting area. This building is monitored 24 hours a day. Immediately to the right here, we have a bicycle room with storage for the tenants, and we also have, across the elevators, we have a utility room for tenant storage. The unit does come with a storage area private to the unit. Proceeding towards the rear, we have exercise room, laundry, washers and dryers, and we have a ground floor courtyard.
Okay, just wanted to. How you doing?
Hello, how are you?
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, how are you? I just wanted to do a quick little video. And large courtyard, outdoor space. Call rate to see this unit at 212-602-1137.